PPF, or paint protection film, is exactly that. It's a film that we apply directly on top of the existing paint of the vehicle. Provides protection against road wear and acid protection from the exterior elements. It's an 8 mil thick polyurethane film, and we carry 3 brands here: XPEL, 3M, and Suntech. XPEL being our #1 choice. You'd probably want to do PPF on your vehicle if you just purchased it or you have an investment that you want to protect. You can get paint protection film in 2 finishes: a matte finish or a ultra gloss finish. There's generally 2 types of install: pre-cut versus custom or hand-tailored. Pre-cut's faster install times but has a less cleaner finish, versus custom, which is more hand-tailored and has a better wraparound finish. If a panel gets damaged, then it's a pretty easy fix. We just remove the damaged portion of the film and install a brand new one in its place. All the PPF brands we carry come with a 10-year manufacturer warranty. An alternative is color change vinyl. With color change vinyl, you have hundreds of colors to choose from, but unlike PPF, it's 3.5 mils thick versus 8 mils thick, and you have a 3-year manufacturer warranty versus a 10-year manufacturer warranty with PPF.